Stop there. What are you up to?
Oh, it's Jesus' birthday today. I'm going to give him a gift. What about you?
Ah, same here.
What do you have?
You know how I love basketball so much. I decided to give him my jersey.
Nice.
What about you?
I'm going to give him my most valuable stuff, which is this rugby jersey and this rugby ball.
Cool.
Alright, you better hurry. It's getting late.
Oh, did we spare change?
Who's this?
Did we spare change? Did we spare change?
Sorry, have the money up.
Same here.
Good luck.
Oh, Fabs, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm trying to get some money. Where are you going?
Oh, I just got off from work. I'm gonna go get Jesus his birthday present.
Oh, do you have any money?
Oh, I spent all my money on this gift. You know Matthew doesn't pay me anything. Oh, good luck, Fabs.
Oh, this is sad. I don't have anything to give. Happy birthday, Jesus. Sorry, I don't have anything to give. But I'll promise you this. Lo uwali Yesu, ye emali ye. Do fafa atawa o te ofo atu lo uola mo ola lo uali Yesu ye emali ye wo matiba uale ma wo se tupe e fa
Evening, everyone. It is important for all of us here to remember that the best gift that we can give to Jesus is giving him our life to serve, worship, and honor him. Yeah. Our family here would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.